So today we're going to be looking at the question that says how much baking soda is needed to react completely with 25 milliliters of 6 molarity hydrochloric acid, or HCl. So the first thing that you want to do is write down your given, which is right here, step 1. So your given is going to be 25 milliliters of HCl, and you are looking at how much, which is typically in grams, so how many grams of baking soda is needed to react completely with it. And just FYI, the molecular formula for baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is NaHCO3. So the second thing you want to do is you want to write out the full chemical equation so you can see the mole to mole ratio. When you write it out, you get sodium bicarbonate plus hydrochloric acid reacts to become sodium chloride plus water, H2O, plus carbon dioxide. And when you look at the elements on each side, it's fully balanced, which means that the moles is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio, which makes this a pretty easy equation. So once you know that it's going to be 1-to-1 and you don't have to balance the moles or anything like that, you're going to move on to step 3. For step 3, you're going to go back to the given, which is 25 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, and you need to convert that into liters. You'll always be working in liters, like pretty much always you'll be working in liters. Sometimes you'll even have to convert to liters just to convert back to milliliters. So 25 milliliters is equal to 0.25 liters of hydrochloric acid. So then you're going to move down to step 4. And you're going to figure out how many moles. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply that amount of liters, 0.25 liters, times that 6 molarity of hydrochloric acid, and your answer is going to be 0.15 hydrochloric acid. So then you're going to move on, and you're going to multiply that by the weight in grams of what you're looking for up here. And so, the molecular weight of baking soda, by the way, if you were to add it all up, would be 84.007 grams per 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate. In order to find that out, you take 1 sodium, 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 3 oxygens, and you end up with 84.007 grams. So then you're just going to multiply it out. And so you get 12.61 grams of sodium bicarbonate is your answer. However, you have to make sure that you go back and you look at the sig figs in the question. And so you want to go with the least number of sig figs, and the smallest number of sig figs in the question is 6, which is just 1 sig fig. So your answer needs to also be in 1 sig fig, so you're going to round down. And so your answer is going to be just above 10 grams of sodium bicarbonate.